The rumors started quietly, then they got louder. Now, insiders suggest that Ram has officially acknowledged ongoing electrical system concerns, and the 2027 Ram update leak may be the company's most aggressive fix yet. For truck buyers, especially loyal heavy-duty and half-ton owners, electrical reliability is no small issue. Modern trucks are rolling computers. When electrical systems fail, everything from the infotainment screen to transmission control and safety systems can be affected. So what exactly is happening? Did Ram really admit electrical issues? And what does the 2027 update mean for future Ram trucks? Let's break it down with expert insight and real-world context. Ram's electrical challenges. What owners have been reporting over the past several years, some owners of the Ram trucks lineup, particularly the Ram 1500 and Ram 2500, have reported intermittent electrical glitches. Common complaints include infotainment screen freezing or rebooting, random warning lights, backup camera failure, dead battery after short parking periods, remote start inconsistencies, trailer brake controller errors, electronic shifter glitches. While not every truck experienced issues, the frequency of owner discussions raised concerns across forums and service departments. Industry analysts point out that Ram's rapid transition to advanced digital systems, including larger touchscreen displays, digital gauge clusters, and over-the-air software updates, increased system complexity dramatically. One automotive electronics specialist explains, modern pickups now carry over 100 control modules communicating over multiple CAN networks. A minor software instability can create cascading glitches that look like hardware failure. This complexity has made electrical diagnosis far more challenging than traditional mechanical repairs. Why modern trucks are more vulnerable. Today's Ram trucks are built on sophisticated electrical architectures. Features like Uconnect 5 infotainment system, 12-inch and 14.5-inch touchscreens, digital instrument clusters, advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, electronic air suspension, active noise cancellation, multifunction tailgates. All rely on tightly integrated software and network systems. In earlier generations, a failed radio didn't affect drivability. Today, infotainment modules communicate with safety systems and body control modules. An expert in vehicle network engineering notes, the issue isn't that Ram trucks are uniquely flawed. The entire industry is navigating a transition from mechanical platforms to software-defined vehicles. However, consumer tolerance for glitches in 60,000-90,000 trucks is understandably low. Did Ram officially admit the problem? While there's been no dramatic press conference confession, insiders suggest that Ram and parent company Stellantis have internally acknowledged higher-than-expected warranty claims related to electrical systems. Technical service bulletins, TSBs, and software updates have steadily increased in frequency. Industry sources close to suppliers indicate that Ram's engineering team has been working on a full electrical architecture overhaul for the 2027 model year. This isn't just a patch, it's reportedly a redesign. The 2027 Ram electrical update leak. According to supplier documents and industry chatter, the 2027 Ram trucks will introduce 1. New centralized computing architecture. Instead of dozens of semi-independent control modules, Ram is expected to shift toward a more centralized domain controller setup. This architecture reduces module count, simplifies wiring harnesses, improves diagnostic accuracy, enhances over-the-air update reliability. Many competitors are already moving this direction to reduce system conflicts. 2. Improved grounding and power management. Electrical reliability often comes down to grounding quality and battery management systems. The 2027 update reportedly includes upgraded grounding points, higher capacity battery systems, enhanced alternator output calibration, revised parasitic draw management. Battery drain has been a complaint among some owners, and engineers appear focused on solving that permanently. Number 3. Hardened software validation. Experts say Ram is investing heavily in simulation testing and extended validation cycles. An automotive software consultant shared, software validation is the hidden battlefield. Extending testing cycles by even 20% can drastically reduce early production bugs. The 2027 models are rumored to undergo significantly longer digital stress testing before launch. What this means for the 2027 Ram 1500. The next generation Ram 1500 will likely be the first to fully benefit from the redesigned electrical system. Expected improvements include faster infotainment boot times, fewer random system resets, improved wireless connectivity, more stable driver assist calibration, better trailer integration software. For Ram, the 1500 is the brand's flagship. Electrical confidence here is critical to maintaining market share. Heavy-duty models, even higher stakes. The Ram 2500 and Ram 3500 rely even more heavily on electrical stability due to integrated trailer brake control, advanced towing camera systems, diesel engine electronic management, high-output alternator systems. Fleet buyers demand uptime. Electrical instability costs money. Industry experts suggest Ram's 2027 improvements are especially focused on heavy-duty durability under load, including extreme heat and towing stress. The supplier factor. One underreported element in modern truck reliability is the supplier ecosystem. Ram sources electrical modules from global suppliers. If one supplier component has firmware instability, it can affect thousands of trucks. Insiders say the 2027 overhaul includes tighter supplier software integration standards, centralized firmware management, improved traceability for component diagnostics. This may reduce future widespread glitches. Is this a recall situation? At this stage, the electrical issues do not appear to represent a single catastrophic defect requiring mass recalls. Instead, experts describe it as cumulative complexity friction. Small glitches across multiple systems rather than one dramatic failure. However, Ram reportedly wants to prevent long-term brand damage, especially as competition intensifies in the truck market. Competitive pressure. Ram is facing strong competition from Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado 1500, GMC Sierra 1500. Ford has heavily invested in electrical architecture modernization. GM has streamlined module networks in recent updates. Industry analysts believe Ram could not afford to delay its redesign beyond 2027 without risking reputation decline. Expert insight: the software-defined truck era. Automotive engineers emphasize that trucks are entering the software-defined vehicle era. That means features can be updated remotely. Performance tuning may happen via software. New features can be added post-sale, but it also means software stability is just as important as engine durability. One senior engineer states, "The next generation of reliability battles won't be fought in engine blocks. They'll be fought in code." Ram appears to understand that reality. What should current owners do? If you own a recent Ram, 1. Keep software updated. 2. Address battery issues early. 3. Document recurring glitches. 4. Use authorized service centers familiar with Ram diagnostics. 5. Check for technical service bulletins regularly. Most electrical problems are solvable with proper firmware updates or module replacement. Long-term outlook for Ram. The rumored 2027 update suggests Ram is taking a proactive stance rather than waiting for widespread backlash. By redesigning electrical architecture rather than patching problems, Ram signals confidence in long-term durability. For buyers considering a 2027 Ram, the electrical overhaul may represent a major turning point. For current owners, it demonstrates that the brand is listening. Final thoughts: admission or evolution? Did Ram admit electrical issues? Not in a dramatic public apology sense, but internal engineering shifts, architecture redesign, and supplier restructuring suggest acknowledgement behind the scenes. The 2027 update leak indicates that Ram is preparing for the next era of truck reliability, one defined by software integrity as much as horsepower. In today's truck market, power still matters, torque still matters, but increasingly, electrical stability may matter most of all. If Ram gets this right in 2027, it could mark the end of the electrical frustration chapter and the beginning of a more refined, digitally robust future for America's hardworking pickups.